is hot. Ice cream is cold. Which property of the object we are talking about? Yes, it's temperature. We often relate the concept of temperature with hotness or coldness of the object when we feel it. We either touch it or when we feel it from a distance. Tea is very hot. It's too cold out there. Is freezing cold are the quantitative indications of the object's state. Our senses often mislead us. Take these two cups. One is made up of steel, while the other one is made up of plastic. Let me keep these in the refrigerator. After 2 hours, I'll take these cups out. If I touch these cups, which one will be cooler? Yes, the steel one. Actually, they are at the same temperature. Why do we feel steel cup is colder than the plastic one? We feel these objects differently because metal transfers heat at a higher rate than the plastic. We need some way to measure relative hotness or coldness of the object. We are not really interested in finding out their energy transfer rate. Let me take these two glass containers. I'll add hot water in this container and cold water in this container. What will happen if I add a drop of ink in each one? Will it spread evenly in both the containers? It looks like ink spreads more rapidly in the container with hot water. As we know, all matters are made up of particles, atoms or molecules. These are all moving inside the matter in random motion. More movement means more energy these particles possess, and more energy means more temperature. Let's use this PhET simulation to explore movement of water molecules in different states. This is how molecules move around in ice, water, and in vapor. As we heat the container, movement of molecules become more random and rigorous. Here is how neon atoms react when heated to higher temperatures. As atoms are moving all the time, they have kinetic energy. The total kinetic energy of the atoms in substance is the measure of heat contained in that substance. Temperature of the substance is related to the average kinetic energy of atoms. If two different substances have the same average kinetic energy, their temperatures are also equal. As you know, when a substance is heated, there is some change in its physical properties, like its volume. Quantitatively, how hot or cold a substance is. This enables us to compare two objects using numbers and not adjectives like hot or cold. Let me take this screw and dip it in very cold solution. If I take it out and I place it on the top of this metal block, what will happen? After some time, two objects will be at same temperature. Heat is getting transferred by means of conduction. This is the same mechanism used in devices to measure hotness or coldness of an object. Temperature is the physical quantity which expresses hotness or coldness. It is measured with a thermometer. Temperature does not measure the total amount of heat in a substance. It is the indicator of hotness or coldness. Summary. Temperature is the physical quantity which expresses hotness or coldness. It is measured with a thermometer. The total kinetic energy of the atoms in substance is the measure of heat contained in that substance. Temperature of the substance is related to the average kinetic energy of atoms.